Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2004 Ford SVT Mustang. This is a Cobra. It's a 3-owner, clean title, clean Carfax car. It's only got 15,000 miles on it. We have the original window sticker. We have the original certificate of authenticity from Ford and SVT, and a letter from Ford. Our customer bought this originally new from Ford, sold it to a friend of his, and then bought it back, and now he is no longer using it, so we're selling it for him. We have the books. We have 2 master keys. It's all stock, super clean. If you're not familiar with these, it is a supercharged version. It's 03 and 04 were the desirable years. This is an uncommon paint color. It's really clean, doesn't need a thing. Tires and wheels are in good shape. Don't know what else to, just want to highlight the cosmetic condition. We didn't do anything to it. I did have it detailed, but no PDR, no touch-up, no anything. It's really, really clean. It's been very, very well taken care of. The glass is etched for theft protection. I mean, you can see this, just the always stored indoors. Always very well taken care of. As a matter of fact, the license plate for this car was our customer's name and then SVT. So we were going to put it on Bring a Trailer. That seems to have changed a little bit, the dynamics on there. We're not seeing stuff sell like it has been, and so we decided to take it to market just on our own. And I believe there's one other car in the country that's, I think, 5,000 or 8,000 miles. That's quite a bit more expensive and has been listed for quite a while. And so hopefully we don't expect to have this long. So as I mentioned, we've got we have 2 fobs and then 2 mechanical keys. So there's your door trim. Very, very clean. The Cobra mats, seats. The back seat is, of course, immaculate. And I took a ton of pictures, quite a few more than we would normally take, just because we want people to understand we want to be really clear about the cosmetic condition. So another nice thing about this car is he did get a certificate or a plaque there that's mounted when he bought it, which is still in place. So let me start this up real quick, go through the electronics. So center console's clean. Roll the window up. Turn some lights on. Okay, passenger side door, clean. Passenger side seat is clean. Dash is clean. So if you see this little thing right here, this is I couldn't tell what this was, and so I called the owner and he was like, "Oh, SRS, that's airbag." There's one on the dash. We thought, oh, maybe it's the number of the car or something. So another nice, cool thing about this car is it was one of the last 110 that were produced. So it's like 3,600 something, I think, is the number, and this was like 600, and they went to like 7 something. So it was one of the last 110 cars ever built. You can see the odometer, 15,059 miles, and 8/10. Let me put my seatbelt on real quick. So that turns off. Everything else is pretty straightforward. I mean, all the pixels are in place. I mean, there's literally no signs of wear and tear anywhere on this car. So turn signal, right and left, hazards, window, up and down. Actually pretty quick for being 20 years old. That's not the case in the German world, that's for sure. Power mirrors. So there's your driver's side. You toggle that over. Passenger side. Let me turn the stereo on real quick. That's going to be FM, so yep, the stereo works. I'm not sure about the AC. Let me turn that on real quick. Yep, AC blows ice cold. Fog lights, rear defrost, traction control delete is off. Cruise control on the right. I mean, pretty straightforward. Lights, and then a tilt wheel, and then wipers, so you can see the wipers work. So everything operates as it should. The headliner's in good shape. Dome light operational. Is that right, or do I need a fuse in there? Let's see. No, there you go. That's it. Books should be in here. We also have a wheel lock, factory wheel lock, that's in there also. We've got pictures of the engine bay, which is immaculate, super clean. And again, all the documentation to support the SVT, which is cool. Just a really, really nice example. Definitely collectible. Hopefully it gets to a good home. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us. We can be reached at 503-227-2354. And we can finance this through Cobra. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. If you have any questions, we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.